Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today I will discuss about the extraction and occurrence of metals. Its part first. So why does metals occur? Where are metals present? As you know that the major source of metals is Earth's crust. Metals are found in the Earth's crust as well as sea water. Mostly sea water contains metals in the form of metallic salts. Here we will discuss the occurrence of metals in the Earth's crust. So metals occur in two states. They are present in the form of two states. First one is free state and second one is combined state. What is the meaning of free and combined state? Free state means in the form of elements or in their elemental form, and combined state means in the form of compounds. So which metals are present in the elemental form and which are present in the compound form? It depends on their chemical reactivity. As you know that on the basis of reactivity series of metals, metals have been classified into three groups. First one is highly reactive metals, second is moderately reactive metals, and third one is least reactive metals. What is the meaning of highly, moderately, and least reactive metals? The metals which are highly reactive, they react with other elements very fast. They react with other elements easily. They are called as highly reactive metals. And the moderately reactive metals means, I will show you here in the reactivity series of metals. K, it is a symbol of potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, and aluminum. I will show you in this way: potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, iron, lead, copper, silver, gold, and platinum. This is the reactive series of metals. This part, potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, and aluminum, these are highly reactive metals. Zinc, iron, lead, and copper, they come in the reactivity series of metals as they are moderately reactive metals. These are least reactive metals. So in the reactivity series of metals, the metals which are highly reactive in nature, that is on the basis of reactivity series. First one is highly reactive metal: sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and aluminum. They are found in combined state in the form of compounds. Second is moderately reactive metals: zinc, iron, and lead. They are also found in combined state. And third one is least reactive: copper, silver, gold, and platinum. They are also unreactive and are found in free state. But here you will note it down that copper and silver are found in free state in a very small amount because they are somehow reactive. They are mainly found in combined state in the form of sulfides and oxides. It means copper and silver are found in free state as well as in combined state. So the metals, in short, you will remember this, that the metals that are reactive in nature, they are found in combined state, and the metals that are unreactive in nature, they are found in free state. It is also called as native state. So now question arises, what is the name of that thing? What is the general name of the thing in which metals are found in the earth's crust? They are called as minerals and ores. The natural materials in which the metals or their compounds are found in earth are called as minerals. वो सब्सटेंसेस जिनके फॉर्म में मेटल्स या उनके कंपाउंड्स मौजूद होते हैं ज़मीन के नीचे, उन चीज़ों को कहते हैं मिनरल्स. द मिनरल्स आर ईदर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ metals or elements or in the form of their compounds, but it depends. The minerals that are found in the earth's crust, the minerals that are found in the earth's crust, they contain a large number of impurities. They are not pure. The minerals found in the earth's crust, they are not pure. They contain impurities, but some minerals contain large amount of impurities and some minerals contain small percentage or small amount of impurities, or some minerals do not contain any impurity. So here there are three types of minerals. First one, that contains large impurities. Second one, that contains small percentage of impurities. And third one, that do not contain any type of impurity. It means all the minerals cannot be used to extract metals. For instance, the minerals that contain a large percentage of impurities, it is impossible to extract metal from that very mineral. The minerals that contain small amount of impurities, it is possible to extract metal from that mineral. So there are two types of minerals. First one, from which metals cannot be extracted. Second one, from which metals can be extracted. So the minerals from which metals can be extracted, here is its definition. The minerals from which metals can be extracted conveniently and profitably are called as ores. An ore contains good percentage of minerals. So the minerals from which metals can be extracted, or the minerals that contains small amount of impurities as compared to that of the percentage of metal. If in a mineral percentage of metal is more than that of the impurity, it from that very mineral we can extract metal, and that mineral is called as ore. So ore is the mineral from which metals can be extracted. These are ore and minerals are the same as well as different terms. So ore is a type of mineral from which metal can be extracted. It means we can say that all ores are called as minerals. All ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ores. All ores are minerals because ore is a type of mineral from which metal can be extracted, but all minerals are not ores because we cannot extract metals from all minerals. So all minerals are not ores. It is the important point, you will remember it here. All ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ores. So here are some examples in the form of which metals are present in the Earth's crust. First one is sodium. It is element rock salt. It is the name of the ore. Sodium chloride is its chemical name, and NaCl is its formula. It means the name of sodium chloride in terms of its ore is rock salt. So in order to extract sodium, we have to extract it from which ore? Rock salt. Aluminium is a metal. It is present in the earth's crust in combined state in the form of bauxite, and its chemical name is aluminum oxide, and this is its chemical formula, Al2O3 dot twice H2O. What is the meaning of this twice H2O? It is hydrated. It is present in hydrous form. This ore contains two molecules of water. Third one is zinc. It is present in the form of two ores. First one is calamine and second is zinc blende. Chemical name for calamine is zinc carbonate. ZnCO3 is its chemical formula, and zinc blende, it is called as zinc sulfide, and its chemical formula is ZnS. These are some examples of the metals and their ores. Now, how are metals extracted from their ores? So it is called as extraction of metals. To obtain a metal from its ore is called extraction of metal. Extraction, this name signifies that extraction, to collect a metal from its ore, to remove metal from its ore, or to separate metal from its ore. The ore is converted. So what is the extraction of metals? As you know that metals, these minerals or these ores are present in the earth's crust. So first step is mining of the ore from the ground. Mining. What is mining? At first we have to dig the earth's crust and remove the ore from it. When the ore is extracted from the earth's crust, after that a large number of processes or large number of steps, the ore is converted into free metal by a number of steps, which depends on, when ore is collected from the earth's crust, it is converted into free metal by a number of steps. It is not extracted in a single step, or it is not extracted easily from its ore. It needs a number of steps, and the steps depend on the type of ore used, because earth's crust contains a large number of ores. It contains a large amount of ore, so its extraction depends on the type of the ore used. We have to notice the type of the ore. Number second is nature of the impurities present, because at first is type of ore and number second is nature of impurities, because impurities are present in various forms. So we have to take it in mind that which type of impurities does this ore contain, and last is reactivity of the metal to be extracted. For example, here there are four types of ores here: rock salt, bauxite, calamine and zinc blende. These are four different types of ores, so we have to keep this thing in mind, that which type of ore we are using, because all the ores need different kinds of processes. If there is rock salt, we need a different process for it. If the ore is bauxite, we need a different kind of process for it. If the ore is calamine, we need a different kind of process for it. So this is the type of ore used. Nature of the impurities. Nature of the impurities. Impurities are present in the form of rocky materials, sand, earthy particles, limestone, microorganisms that are dead and decaying microorganisms. So we have to apply the type of step apply the type of process for removing the impurities that are present in it. And last one is reactivity of the metal to be extracted. Reactivity of the metal, it will depend on the type of ore. If it is rock salt, that means it contains which metal? Sodium. So sodium is highly reactive. If this is zinc blende or calamine, it contains which metal? Zinc. So we need a different kind of process for it. Aluminium, if it is bauxite, so the metal here is aluminium, we need a different kind of process for it. Or I may say that highly reactive metals need different processes as compared to that of least reactive metals. So here, what is metallurgy? The various processes involved in the extraction of metal from their ore and refining are known as metallurgy. The processes that we used in order to extract metal from their ores and refining, this process, this whole process is called as metallurgy. And you all know that no single process can be used for the extraction of all the metals. It varies from metal to metal. It varies from highly reactive metal to less reactive metal to moderately reactive metal. We need different kinds of processes for the extraction of metal from their ore. So in the next section I will explain the different processes that are used for the extraction of metal from their ores.